Oh, I must say that I'm enjoying the sandwich showcase this season, brought to you by the folks at Kiss Baking. And I'm so excited today because not only do I have one of my favorite people in studio to make a sandwich for me, but we are actually going to showcase for the first time on the show this season the coconut buns brought to you by Kiss. And yes, I have Franka Philip. She's so many things these days. She's so many things.
I'm so many things,
You are
Joel.
so many
What does
things
that mean?
these days, Franka.
Many things to so many people, you mean?
I always remember Dominic Calipasad telling me, once a reporter, always a reporter.
Yes, for
and
true.
That is, once a reporter, always a reporter. So
that is definitely the truth.
one of my favorite journalists over the years that I've learned so much from over the years. Now, as I said,
Have you really learned?
She pointed the finger at me. But she is a foodie, well-renowned writer, food writer, and now she's really the establisher, one of the establishing forces behind Gotoba Titi.
Yes, of course.
And you're now not making a goat sandwich for me this
No,
morning.
we're not doing good today.
What are you doing?
Today we're doing a sandwich called the light shot.
The
light shot. I tell you why we call it the light shot, because it's a variation on a sandwich called the shooter.
Okay.
Now the shooter is a massive mega sandwich. I first had the shooter in England when I was living in.
So it's a European thing.
It's a European thing. So you see we have our burgers here.
Right.
So I think they're just about done. You don't want them to be too done. You want them to be nice and medium.
Nice and medium. I like it medium.
You know, I like medium too.
We like medium. Yeah.
So I'm taking it off.
So that's good.
So you like your burger here.
Nice.
Hopefully a little medium.
Nice.
What you also have is some chopped mushrooms and onion, finely diced onions. And you cook it down. I've used a little bit of white wine. Cook out the white wine, salt and black pepper. You had to do something.
Going on? You see what I was excited. I got excited this morning.
Special. It can't be ordinary.
So white wine, mushroom.
A little white wine and cook it down, and
nice.
Make sure you season it.
Yeah.
Because unsalted mushrooms are not cool.
No, it's not fun.
So make sure you put your salt, your black pepper, and because we're Trinis,
right,
we could use a little dried pepper. Right. So that's very popular these days for a little kick. Right. You could season it how you want.
So you're like building a burger here.
Yeah, like you're building a burger.
You're building a burger with
what I did was,
buns.
but I did my meat. I put a lot of seasoning in it.
Right.
Nice fresh green seasoning.
Right.
Very finely.
Right. There's not just salt and pepper.
No.
There's not just salt and pepper business. No. This is flavorful.
This is flavorful
buns,
stuff.
Flavorful meat, yes.
So I want to just put the burgers here, just to not be so oily.
Right.
You know, you can't make it overly oily, and we are trying to be somewhat healthy.
Somewhat healthy, yes.
We are trying to be somewhat healthy. And this dish, I really like it. Mm-hmm. I find it's fun. Mm-hmm. It's not to be eaten too often because it's hefty.
It's heavy.
So, you know, usually what they would do is they would put their, like I'll show you. Let me start with us.
So
you start with mustard.
Okay.
So I'm using Dijon mustard.
Right.
I love the flavor of Dijon mustard.
You could use regular mustard.
You could use regular mustard if you like, but I mean, again, Joel.
But you going all out.
I don't do regular.
You going all out.
You make sure you have a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
This is not no by the corner.
Can't get this on the street. It's not street food.
This is definitely not street food.
This is love.
Now make sure. All of these things trial and error. Don't fall, eh?
Don't fall. But I like how you oh my goodness, I watch it how you measure.
I watched it.
Yes.
And I made, right.
Perfect fit there, you know.
I tried it.
Perfect fit there, Franka Philip.
Now, you see, if it was a more hefty bread, I take out more and I make a
big burger, yeah.
I'm going to take your mushrooms.
It's the portion control.
Yeah.
Kiss on portion control.
I realize this is very healthy these days.
Very health conscious. Oh my goodness, this looks divine.
Now remember, mushrooms are rich.
Yes.
How that looking? That looking good there? Nice and spread out
evenly.
Right.
Where
the next thing I put.
With a cheese too?
Pepper jack cheese.
Now,
you know, Trini like the little kick.
Yeah.
Now, you could use your regular cheddar, you know.
Yeah, but you have
But I feel pepper jack might be a little more up your alley, right? People are fussy about using your hands, but
no man,
you don't use your hands. Then, to give it a little more, use some pickles. Now, if you don't want to use cheesy peppery cheese.
Right.
You could use regular cheddar. You could use any kind of cheese that might suit you, and you could use some spiced jalapenos if you want.
Right. To give it
But
that
I like pickles.
Right. You go in with pickles.
I love pickles in a burger.
In a burger, yeah.
I love that, right? And I find you must put plenty. It must fly out the bread, all kind of thing.
You forget the little green lettuce you cut up.
No, the lettuce is the top. That's why I have it in order. I have it in an order.
I say everything looking so rich there.
Yeah,
I say,
so-
that lettuce might spoil the sandwich.
No, so you put a little, for the sake of green.
For the sake of greenery.
I live with somebody who loves green.
Yeah. No.
And you have to put something green.
Some green, yeah.
So put some green.
Put some green.
If you want.
Yeah, if you insist.
Yes, a little green. And you know what? This is local
lettuce.
iceberg hydroponic.
Okay.
I love
Okay.
hydroponic. I think hydroponic is the way forward for a lot of things.
Yeah,
and of course, mayo. Now, here's what you could also do. You see, the mayonnaise is normal. I mean, that's the only thing I did normal.
Right.
But I had a thought maybe you could do some tamarind chutney in your mayo, give it a little flavor.
And the spice of the mayonnaise.
Give it a little spice.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I was warned not to put too much mayo in
Yeah.
the...
And that's one of the things I always tell people on the show. With all our contributors, they come and we showcase so many recipes, but you can put your own twist on it. Yeah, cooking is not a recipe that you follow.
Remember, we are Trinis, we like spice. So
Yeah.
different people, different... And
Caribbean
look,
people.
one thing I could say, don't use ketchup now.
Oh
Because
gosh.
we like too much of ketchup.
Don't use ketchup.
Don't use ketchup.
Or they do use
Try
ketchup.
and avoid the ketchup.
Oh gosh. Franka Philip.
What you could do, you could put a tomato,
Yeah.
take out the
Don't put ketchup,
seeds,
yeah.
but don't put ketchup now. Because I find ketchup is a...
We like a ketchup.
We like too much ketchup.
We like a ketchup.
So,
Come,
yeah.
Franka. Yeah, I'm excited.
Are you excited?
I get
So,
excited.
here's the best part
for
now.
sure.
And you
Right.
press it.
Mm-hmm.
All that falling out.
And I think the key of building this sandwich was really digging the inside.
Yes,
because
exactly.
It sits well. It now sits so well.
And you realize that because everything is warm, the cheese will begin to melt.
Oh my.
And then you cut it in half.
Oh my.
Joel, half just for display.
If you insist, yeah. Half is for you.
It's a messy sandwich,
No,
Ole.
man. Come on, man. Yes.
But you know what I like about that? When you put this on the plate, you ain't seen the thanks so much. But think about if you
No,
put,
you're seeing it wrong.
if you put these things at the side.
Hey, plating.
And you know,
Plating.
Chef Bianca teach me about plating, you know. I have chefs in my life, Chef Bianca.
Chefs in your life important.
Chef Khaled.
Chef in your
Debbie.
life. Chef in your life important.
Yeah, and you know Debbie does buff, so if I don't make this look a little
Oh
decent.
my goodness.
And you know what you could use? You could also use, you know, we like a chow.
Right.
You could accompany this with a little
With a
chow.
little chow.
Because remember, it's very rich.
Right.
You want to cut through that richness. So, oh gosh, I have to wipe my hands. I'm gonna wash
You
my
can
hands.
wash your hands.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
While you don't mind I started
No,
taste?
you could stop. Because
I
I
can start
realized
this.
that you was watching it that kind of house. So.
Oh. Franka, this looks very
Tell me
flavorful.
how. Tell me.
So the beef, mincemeat, very flavorful.
Right.
I know we said regular mustard, but the Dijon mustard actually worked kind of perfectly well. The nice little tang works well. I love mushrooms, so mushrooms is an easy sell
Yes.
for me. And they get that little cake from the pepper jack cheese. This is fantastic.
And you like the green. The green is there to help you.
I didn't see it. I forgot about the green. The green
works.
is there.
The green works.
It's there.
And the pickles work too, you
The
think?
pickles work. No, the pickles work. I think I didn't get any pickles in that one.
Yeah, I think you have to bite another
Bite
side.
a little deep, but this
Yeah,
is
it's
fantastic.
Good.
Franka Philip, thank you
I'm
very
glad
much.
you like it.
Have a bite with me.
I'll have a bite
Have
with
a
you.
bite
I'll have
with
a bite. Oh God, I have to bite on TV. People see me putting food all in my mouth.
The Kiss Sandwich Showcase, guys. And let's not forget how good these buns actually work with it. The buns are kind of nice and creamy and gives that nice little coconut flavor. We love a coconut bake and a coconut sandwich here in Toronto Big One across the region. Works well. Thanks to the folks at Kiss for making it possible. Franka Philip, thank you very much.
No problem.
It's good. It's
Always
good.
fun.
We're coming back.